given that if log of mod z square plus 4 mod z plus 8 divided by 2 mod z square plus 3 to the base 1 by 2 is less than 0, then we have to find out the limits of z. Mod z is greater than 5, or mod z is greater than 3, or mod z is less than 3, or mod z is less than 5. Given that log of mod z square plus 4 mod z plus 8 divided by 2 mod z square plus 3 is less than 0, 0 can be written as log of 1 to the base 1 upon 2. Now we know log b to the base a, if it is less than log c to the base a, and now here a is equal to 1 by 2, therefore a is less than 1 and b will be greater than c. That means, in other words, mod z square plus 4 mod z plus 8 divided by 2 mod z square plus 3 is greater than 1. Multiplying crosswise, we get, since denominator is positive, the inequality will continue to hold that way. That shows modulus of z square plus 4 mod z plus 8 is greater than 2 mod z square plus 3, or mod z square minus 4 mod z minus 5 is less than 0, which can be factorized into mod z plus 1, that is one factor, and mod z minus 5 is another factor, is their product is less than 0. That means their product is negative. But mod z plus 1 is positive. That shows mod z minus 5 is less than 0, or in other words, mod z is less than 5. Therefore, the option D stands. If n be an odd integer and 1, alpha 1, alpha 2, dash dash dash, alpha n minus 1 are the nth roots of unity, then 2 plus alpha 1 into 2 plus alpha 2 into 2 plus alpha 3 dash 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 2 plus alpha n minus 1 is equal to, first option is 2 raised to power n minus 1 upon 3. Second option is 2 raised to power n minus 1 upon 3. Third option is 2 raised to power n plus 1 divided by 3. And the last option is 2 raised to power n plus 1 upon 3. Now we are given that 1, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, dash dash dash, alpha n minus 1 are the nth roots of unity. That means x raised to power n minus 1 have the factors x minus 1, x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2, dash dash dash, x minus alpha n minus 1. Or in other words, bringing x minus 1 to the left hand side in the denominator, we get x raised to power n minus 1 upon x minus 1 is the product of x minus alpha 1 into x minus alpha 2 into x minus alpha n minus 1, which stands an identity and can be replaced by any number. Let us put x equal to minus 2. We get minus 2 raised to power n minus 1 upon minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 2 minus alpha 1, minus 2 minus alpha 2, so on up to minus 2 minus alpha n minus 1. It should be borne in mind that n is an odd integer, therefore n minus 1 will be an even integer. Now therefore, pulling out minus common, you get minus times 2 raised to power n plus 1 upon minus times 3 becomes, in all the factors on the right hand side, we get minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 because there are n minus 1 factors. We get minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 into 2 plus alpha 1, 2 plus alpha 2, so on up to 2 plus alpha n minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 will become plus 1 because n is odd and n minus 1 is even. On the left side, minus will cancel. Therefore, we get 2 raised to power n plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 plus alpha 1 into 2 plus alpha 2 dash 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 up to 2 plus alpha n minus 1. That stands the option C.